Alright, take a seat, guys. Mr. Mullins get a tip. Say there might be some guns coming in down here on a cruise ship. That is why we are here.
Who will I look out for?
That is it. We don't have no specific mark, so we have to look out for suspicious movements.
All our surveillance camera them down here up. So if you want me to check on it, me will do it.
Good. We definitely are gonna need you to do that.
This have any link to Miranda?
No, you know, she off the grid for a minute. And you know, say it seemed like she find a way to leave the island.
Still can't write her off in a bossy. She can manage the operation from overseas. And as Mr. Mullins said, everybody is a suspect.
And maybe she still have runners from the ground.
Yeah, you're right. But here who we still have to look out for? Siva. Because maybe a him run the operations on the ground.
Yeah, but I feel like him gonna deep hiding, you know. Especially after that running there with we.
And we can't even question Dodger because they're moving.
You know, I feel like it's a planting. Why they move him after them capture him?
Remember, so Dodger have whole heap of information, you know. And him have strong links. Not even Mr. Mullins can get to him.
And it's the strangest thing that would have ever happened, you know. I wonder who would have really called the shots there.
I'm not take my eye off a daily.
This have politics written all over it. Remember, say Fame name did a call upon the first set of weapons where they come in, you know. Hopefully we can find something where link him to something. Cause him, off he go.
Talking about that, we have plan for bring for the election, yeah? Who for side of the pan? Right or left?
Definitely not Fame side.
So that means you're on the other side.
You never hear me say me dep on nobody's side. Me just say me not dep on Fame side.
Hold on. They're on the right side, right? Because film side and left side.
You know which side me dep on? The outside. Listen, today, you go play security. Shades are go there the same place. Him a go be the cameraman. Tonian, you're dep on surveillance. Alright? Me go talk to Mr. Mullins.
So, now which way we do this?
There is a dancehall camp. We're down here. So we're going to observe and report.
Nothing else, just observe.
Just observe. Good.
Tea?
Yeah?
You good?
Yeah. No, I'm not good.
Karim, right? Coming like the two of you on the same boat.
Oh wow. Yeah, I think more party.
No, I know.
So how me and you in the same boat? Wait, I can't Vanessa you think about.
Cara,
Oh, so you talk to Destiny?
and that's the hard part, you know. It's like she a rebel now. And I don't want she go back to that place of anger there. It's hard for me.
Can just imagine.
Yeah. I have to just go and hold it and deal with it. So, how are you and Karim? You talk to him?
Well, for the first time, today I come to the conclusion. I hate this.
What do you mean? What make you come to that conclusion there?
The message when him send me today and the way it sound.
See, my brother tell me say you put a track up on him.
No man, none of that. None of that whisper. The way it sound like Karim now come back.
You know what I say? Conscience that beat me. I didn't want to say that to you now.
What you mean your conscience about you?
Me and him did a whole a reason. And him tell me say no plan for come back.
I never tell me that whisper?
Listen, that ain't something me did want to get involved in.
What you mean? You know me before you know Karim. So how you and him sit down and have that conversation there and never say nothing to me?
Tonya, you see that side of your life there with Karim and your personal life. And me no have nothing
So
to do
you and him not sit down and talk about it? That means you're involved and you still not say nothing to me?
You see when I tell you say I did want to talk to you? And that I did want to talk to you about. That's why I tell you to talk to him. So you talk to him there. And you find out though.
I saw all man say. Una like have conversation. Una like discuss things.
So, hold on. How me drop in that?
You know, I never want to talk about this. You and him have the conversation, and you not say nothing to me.
See, don't bother with that, man. Just want you understand.
You know something? You say something to me what him said to me.
What?
Una can't trust woman. And una can't be trusted.
See, come.
Don't touch me.